So, welcome to the video, croeso video. So this is an experiment mae'n brofiad i gweld sut fydd yn gweithio, how this would work, because I usually do this live nid am fyw, ond fama, da ni hefo, so last part we did like the first teen date, in this part we're doing elderly aging, da ni'n neud oedio fyny, ni'n neud fatha dates gyntaf hefo'r teenagers, a wedyn ni'n oedio, and just like, my Herm and elder yn barod, Herm's an elder already, so I gotta figure out like a graveyard, dwi'n meddwl that. Yeah, it's like graveyard gyfer pawb. We are aging up. In your party outfit. What floaty? Cariad today. We are aging up Cariad. So yeah, we're gonna weld. We shall see. What I want you. Nominated. Just check on because hopefully the video will be uploaded with a video and uploadio. Because I'm recording off my phone. We are just gonna do this here, and we will. I need we'll do peth gynta. A peth gynta ni'n neud yw we'll get him to age up. Oedi fyny. And yeah, it feels really strange. Mae'n teimlo'n really rhyfedd oedio nhw fyny. Mae'n teimlo'n rhyfedd. It feels really strange because these will be my first elderly sims. I'm also a little scared to do that, scared back to do that. My sim isn't pregnant. Sim fi ddim yn pregnant at all. I have no idea what happened with it, so don't know. I also need to make sure, dwi'n ensure bod fi hefo urns, make a wish and then do that. Called Herm's urn roosit. I'm quite sure. I'm not quite sure how we do that. Honestly, not quite sure how we do it. We shall see. We'll have to go out. Hopefully this video won't take up long to upload either. I'm in here i fyny litha. Let's see how it looks. It's a really weird feeling to think that the end is near for my oedi sims, but yn dod yn agos, amser dod yn agos ar gyfer sims OG fi. Gwall on the cracking of back, cracio'r Kevin. Well, the legacy, my legacy, and dechrau, and the legacy is about to start properly. And yeah, oh, my sim is going to be an elder fyny. So now that I'm gonna try and get busy original birthdays. You're elderly. Okay, so this is my first time made legacy. First time true content legacy, and but I don't understand. Does that mean death? Is that your death? Do I have marw? You don't know. So you'll be aging up. Fych chi'n mynd yn hen, and they're going to be young adults. So I'm going to sort that out. I'm going to try and get Cariad to level 10 with like some songwriting and gyfer piano, and I can't gyfer piano because that's my pencilings want to get done. And I'll try and get this one max in painting hefyd. Ella bod i'n gormod, maybe I'm doing too much, but we shall see. And diolch I pawb, thank you for your comments, thank you, diolch am eich comments, diolch am gweld am pawb am ddod. This one isn't going to be super long, Byna. That's brilliant. Mae'n anhygoel. Just because of just amser, time, and my internet is very bad. My internet's been really rough, so it's going to take probably about a half an hour to an hour to upload a 5-minute video. Yay! But I finished the Leisure Centre build. That is on the Sims Gallery under Lynette_creative. Bob dim o dan Lynette_creative. Mae'n y Leisure Centre, Plas Awen, a Little Simsy Shell build hefyd, Shell build Little Simsy. I'll be doing like videos on that. Fibonacci Legacy playlist, the rest of the videos are on the playlist. I usually stream them live. And yeah, diolch i pawb yn gwylio. Thank you everybody for watching. Dwi'n gobeithio chi'n cael a lovely time wherever you are, and you keep safe. Dych chi'n cael amser lyflu gyda chi a cadw'n saff. Diolch pawb. Thank you everybody.